Koome to amend 2 bills that will lead to the scrapping off of the life sentence has once again opened the debate on capital punishment against the reform structure. While some lawyers fault Koome for what they say is equal to giving capital offenders a slap on the wrist, a section of lawyers are of the opinion that the move, which would apply to all convicts sentenced to death as of November 21st, 2022, is a way to boost Kenya's human rights profile.
Prisoners who are charged with capital offences will have their charges limited to a sentence not exceeding 30 years if the 2 bills fronted by Chief Justice Martha Koome to Parliament will be approved. The proposal, which has divided legal minds in the country, was aimed at reforming the punishment to look humane and subscribing to international tenets of protection of right to life. Lawyer Gibson Gisore says this is a way of giving someone another chance of asking for forgiveness and probably placing Kenya into the map of countries that avoid death penalty when someone is charged with any serious offense.
There are people who are actually not represented and they've been accused of heinous crimes. So by chance or by mistake, you find that these people have actually gone inside. They could actually be not guilty. So if we go by that assumption and we find that there are a couple of, in every 10 people, you find that there will be 2 or 3 who are or either due to the ignorance of the law or being indigent people, they might have ended up to be taken inside or to be prosecuted and been found guilty.
The debate has been in the corridors of justice since the controversial case of Muruatetu. Back then in 1999, Lawyer Gibson Gisore argues that there is also a need of interrogating why someone wants to commit suicide, which the judiciary seeks to decriminalize attempted suicide that has been treated as a criminal offense for over the years now.
You know, their cases are reviewed from time to time, and then these names are forwarded to the committee. Normally it used to be the president who could just declare, maybe on a Mashujaa Day, declare that those people have served for over 50 years or they who have served the longest for over 30 years, I set them free.
July 21st, 2023, President William Ruto reduced the death sentence for all capital offenders to a life sentence. In a Gazette notice published by Attorney General Justin Muturi, Ruto issued the directive following recommendations by the Advisory Committee on the Power of Mercy.
Once we interrogate the reasons why, we'll actually find that this person is psychologically affected.
Muturi also indicated that the directive would apply to all convicts sentenced to death as of November 21st, 2022. Under the current Kenyan law, which was drafted in the year 1930s, individuals found guilty of murder, robbery with violence, or treason can face the death penalty. The Chief Justice Martha Koome wants Parliament to approve a change to Section 112A of the Penal Code in subsection 4 that replaces the word manslaughter with the word second-degree murder. Paul Kirobi, TV 47, Nairobi.